Consistency is crucial when preparing for the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission examination. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you maintain consistency in your UPSC preparation. 1. Understand the exam pattern. Familiarize yourself with the UPSC exam pattern, which includes 3 stages: preliminary examination, objective type, main examination, written, and personality test, interview. Knowing the structure will help you plan your preparation more effectively. 2. Create a realistic study plan. Break down the syllabus into smaller, manageable sections. Allocate specific time for each subject or topic. Ensure that your study plan is realistic and aligned with your daily routine. 3. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Regularly reassess and adjust your goals based on your progress. 4. Prioritize subjects. Identify your strengths and weaknesses among the subjects. Prioritize your time and focus on weaker areas while maintaining proficiency in stronger ones. 5. Daily routine. Establish a daily routine and stick to it. Allocate specific time slots for studying, revision, and breaks. Ensure a healthy balance between subjects. 6. Revision is key. Schedule regular revision sessions to reinforce what you've learned. Create concise notes for quick revision before the exam. 7. Stay informed. Keep up with current affairs, as this is a significant part of the UPSC exam. Read newspapers, magazines, and watch the news regularly. 8. Mock tests and previous year papers. Take regular mock tests to assess your progress and identify weak areas. Solve previous year question papers to understand the exam pattern and improve time management. 9. Health and well-being. Ensure proper sleep and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise can help improve concentration and overall well-being. 10. Stay motivated. Remember your long-term goal of clearing the UPSC exam. Surround yourself with positive influences and engage with fellow aspirants. 11. Seek guidance. Join coaching classes or online platforms for guidance. Interact with mentors and experienced candidates for insights. 12. Adaptability. Be open to adjusting your study plan based on your evolving needs. Learn from your mistakes and continuously refine your strategy. 13. Stay consistent during highs and lows. Ups and downs are natural in the preparation journey. Stay focused during both good and challenging times. 14. Time management. Develop effective time management skills to cover the entire syllabus. Avoid procrastination and make the most of your study time. 15. Review and reflect. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. Reflect on what works best for you and make necessary changes. Remember, consistency is not about studying for long hours in a day but maintaining a steady and effective study routine over an extended period. Keep adapting, stay persistent, and believe in your abilities.